Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of procurement. I know, paperwork and processes might not sound thrilling, but stick around because we're about to turn it into something surprisingly fascinating. Now, picture this scenario: you're in a small company, and you need a simple ream of paper. Nothing too fancy, just a basic office necessity. So, what do? You could hop in your car and head to the store, right? But hold your horses, my friend. Let's make this journey even more interesting. First things first, you want to get the best deal, am I right? Nobody wants to overspend on a ream of paper. So, you start by figuring out where to buy it at a reasonable price. That's just being smart with your hard-earned money. Then comes the exciting part. You make your way to the store, whether it's in a shopping mall or just around the corner. It's like a mini adventure. You stroll through the aisles, grab that precious ream of paper, and voila! You're ready to conquer the world, one document at a time. But wait, what if the procurement process isn't as straightforward? What if you're dealing with bulk purchases, big-ticket items, or products with specific customizations? Buckle up, my friends, because things are about to get interesting. Let's break down the complete procure-to-pay process. First up, we have the purchase requisition. It's a simple document that your manager sends to the procurement department, requesting the company to buy whatever's on that requisition. It's like writing a shopping list, but with a professional touch. Now, here's where the approval comes in. Each requisition needs the green light from the higher-ups before an order can be placed with the supplier. Every company has its own unique approval process, kind of like those special secret handshakes you see in movies. Next, we have the purchase order. It's the legal agreement to buy goods for a specific price and delivery time. Think of it as your golden ticket to getting what you need, hassle-free. And remember, keep that purchase order safe, because your accounts payable department will want to see it along with the invoice. Fast forward to the glorious moment of order delivery. Your supplier ships your purchase right to your doorstep, or wherever you've designated. It's like receiving a gift from a friend, except you're the one who gets to choose what's inside the box. Alright, it's time for some serious matching action. The accounts payable department will carefully compare the supplier's invoice with the purchase order. They'll be like Sherlock Holmes, verifying the quantities and prices of the goods. It's all about making sure everything adds up. And finally, the grand finale. The supplier gets paid using the agreed-upon method. It's like a successful transaction in an online game. Everyone wins and walks away with a smile. Now, hold on a second. You might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of paperwork. And you're right, especially as a company grows. But guess what? We have a secret weapon to tackle this challenge: automation. By using automation, managing payment processing and other tasks becomes a breeze. It's like having your very own sidekick, always ready to assist you on your procurement adventures. Say goodbye to piles of paperwork and hello to streamlined efficiency. So, my fellow adventurers, whether you're a small business or dreaming of conquering the corporate world, remember this: every purchase is a process, but it doesn't have to be a daunting one. Embrace the journey, seek out the best deals, and let automation be your trusty companion. That's a wrap for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep being amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.